What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream where we're working, obviously, in Unreal Engine 4 using C++, blueprints, and the gameplay ability system to create an action-adventure game from scratch. So the last few streams we've been working on this compass at the top. So we got it working for the player character, like which direction he's facing and everything like that. But now we're starting to try to work on getting some objectives to show up. So you'll see this little white square appear on the bottom or towards the left side. So that's when we're in view. And then, you know, if we get a certain distance away, it should be removed. That part doesn't work yet, but this is still kind of like a work in progress. So we're going to continue this. So let's see where we left off. So hero, I know we're in UI. Hero main UI, compass. So we have the compass icon, we have this, right? And I want to get it to I want to properly remove compass actor as well. So I don't know if that's gonna work. Let me see where we are. So here's the compass, and I think in our player character is where we're checking. We have some, so we have event add compass UI and remove. So let's see if this is even getting called. Let's check that out. So yeah, it's getting called like that. So it's gonna be false. Okay. So I guess what we should do is, because when we add a compass actor, we do all this stuff, right? So we should also kind of remove it in general from. So we have the main canvas panel, so I guess we should do remove child. For now, we'll kind of we'll have to manually pass in. So we'll create a variable. We'll just call it child. And we'll say child, but we're gonna have to somehow map these correctly. So we're gonna have to work definitely with arrays. So we'll have to kind of think about this. So let's just see if it adds, and then does it remove? Still no. Is there like move or remove from parent as well? Maybe? So it's accessing none. So what's the best way to handle this? All right, let's try to do something like this where maybe we can make a mapping. So let's make so actor. Let's do a map. Next one is going to be a, oh, we didn't even plug in child. Jesus Christ. So that's one thing. So this returns what? I guess we could just say BP UI compass icon. Yeah. Let me just see if now that I can actually correctly plug that in, if we'll get the desired result where. So it shows up and then it disappears. Okay, so at least we know that kind of works. So we're gonna have to, let's see, actor to icon to compass icon. So what we need to do, so whenever we want to add an actor, we want to say what? Add or others. Okay, so we might want to make a local variable. Local actor to add, and just for safety reasons, maybe it's not necessary. We can do like an is valid or something, just to make sure we can continue going. And if that's not valid, we'll just return an index -1 or something. -1. -1. Thank you. Now, if it's valid, maybe we can do like a find. And we'll want to do like a not, I guess. So if it's not found, we'll add it. Otherwise, yeah, we'll do -1 or something. And then from here, we will create this, do all of that. Yes, at the very end. I don't want to worry about spacing or anything too much. So we're going to add local compass icon to add. Then like that. And then on remove, let's just think about this over again. So actor to remove, we say find do a branch. Let's say removed is false. Whoops. And then we gotta do what? There's map. So find value. Keys. So that's actor of array. Find. All right, let's do utilities and map. What do we got? Keys, length, remove. So there's that, and this returns what? Okay, so find returns the associated key. So we actually want to do contains. Does it not contain it? And then here, yeah, we want to do a find. We'll make this a local variable. Well, local actor to remove. And then we'll do something like this. First, we're going to do a contains. And then we do a find with another branch just to be super duper safe. And then we'll make this a local variable. Local compass icon to remove. Let's see, remove false. Now we don't need to do that. So now instead of this being child, you could say something like that. And then remove, we could say true, I suppose, or we could just pull it like that. So I wonder if that's gonna be okay. And then in the event graph, I think now we gotta do like, obviously we're gonna have to update this. Definitely good. We're gonna definitely do a for loop. So we have our actor to compass icon. Now we're gonna do values. Yeah, these are all of those. So for each I guess we'll just do a check for length. Does not equal 0. And then so slot as canvas panel slot, and then set position. And honestly, this is where we need to like do the correct kind of math. But for now, we'll kind of leave it like that. Well, let's just see if we get the same behavior now that we were getting before, but now we're kind of controlling it using a map and an array and everything. Hopefully it's good enough. And then we can go back to that tutorial, see what he's doing mathematically to get everything. All right, so it gets added. And it gets removed, but now we're getting a bunch of that wrong. So that means we're not correctly removing it from this map. What do we do for remove? There's clear. What are the utilities? Map. Clear? I guess we'll do a local actor to remove. We'll see if we'll look at that error. So it's added. And it's removed. Okay, no error. So yeah, now we're properly removing it. So now let's nuke that information out. And I guess we can also delete unused variables. Boom. Now we're clean like hell. Dismiss, dismiss, dismiss. We should check this out. Boom. Now we can kind of go back to that tutorial that we were watching. Let me find it. I have a bunch of things for watch later. This.
Get the products of some of these.
Let's mute the music.
Values in order to find the solutions that we're looking for. So from the world location, we'll get the find lookout.
All right, so where is he? What's he getting? What's this rotation?
Been set by between different blueprints. So the third person character has the actual variable. The objective that we just made, the map preview mesh.
Let's see.
Sets the nav point to its own location. So we'll need a turn node in our camera. Let's get this, and we're going to need some values here. So we'll get.
All right, so that's the camera. So we'll do a function get position, get compass actor position or something like that, and it will return. Do a vector 2D or something, just to make our lives easier. Return vector 2D. It's fine, and it can be pure. So then we want to bring in an actor. Actor to check, fine, and then what is he doing?
Because we're going to need of where it's and from here we set this to the target.
So all right, so we need to get. So I believe we have what, get player character, get camera, and now he's doing world location. So get world location, get right vector, and get forward vector. Okay. Now he's doing find look rotation. So it's gonna be get actor location here and find look rotation from here. Now he's getting rotation as whatever vector, so rotation as x vector. Bring that back. Now he's doing
just like that, yeah. And then when we drag it in,
so normalize 2D. No, normalize 2D. Okay. So he's doing it like this. He's converting that. Okay.
It'll convert these two values also to 2D vectors.
Now he's converting these to 2D vectors. 2D vector. 2 vector 2D, right? Yep.
And then we need the dot product.
Dot product.
Dot product 2D. We'll need 2 of these. And we want the result of this normalized 2D as the second value. I know it's a little bit complicated, but I will go through this. I'll go through this as I go. So we'll have to divide these two values. That is the right vector and the forward vector, or the dot product of those two values from the world location of both of our points. Divide them from each other, and then we need to multiply the value, because if we don't, then the nav point isn't going to move very far on the compass. It's going to be sort of moving only a couple pixels to the left and right. So you want to crank up these values. I use 700 mature mileage.
700. We'll have to fuck around with this.
Here we'll just go from this multiply node. We'll drag.
So this will be probably X.
And we can rename this.
And we'll make this 10.
Our X position, X pos. We compile and save.
Okay.
Then back in the event graph, we will need to find our event tick.
Okay, so now we have to get Or get. No. Utilities, map. Is there find? Okay, do I have to do... Okay, maybe I'll have to do keys. Keys. And then for loop through that. Put this in. Put that in like that. And then do what? Like find. Like that. And that should maybe do it. Maybe, maybe not. Hold on, I gotta check a work email. Okay, now let's just say, I'll have to take care of something later. All right, so let's see what happens now. All right, so at least it's moving, but it's not going in the right direction. So let's see what he has to say.
I might just copy these 3 nodes. Add it's set right, I believe, by new canvas panel. And drag it in, plug it in node. Ah, the same thing's happened again. Follows the object in a pretty accurate way. I mean, you can tweak these values to get a slightly more problems. Most notably is that if you're facing behind it, see, because the camera is now in line with the objective, it's showing up on the
Okay, let's see if we need to just mess with this 700 value. Let's make it 500. Let's just see what we get. Now let's make this a really low number. Make it 1 and see what happens. Okay. Let's make it 2000. Maybe I'm doing some math wrong, but we'll see. $1,000. Okay. 1,500. Hmm. Let's see, add compass to actor. That's fine. All right, let me just print this value. I'm kind of curious what this is. Maybe I have to do some like add. All right, this is gonna be dumb looking, but whatever. We'll just see. Okay, so 100 doesn't seem like it does anything. By 10. If that doesn't work, maybe we'll do the same number that we're doing with the other. I think this value is in code. So let's see, UI, main, compass, 3100. So we're minusing 3100, so let's do minus 3100. Let's just try it like that before we try any multiplying. Oops. Okay. He did 700. This is kind of tricky because I really don't understand the math that he's doing in this tutorial. That like, okay, so doing stuff like that doesn't work. Ah, shit. Can I continue? Okay. I feel like that's too sensitive. Maybe I'm not sure. But like in theory, like as soon as I'm like in it, it should like be right in front of here. So maybe I shouldn't do the camera. Let me get the world location of the player. Because the camera might be... So get actor location. That could be messing me up. Because I know if we do the camera stuff, like, because I'm able to scroll. Like, just something is off. I'm not too sure what. So he uses the incoming actor as the start location. Right, vector. Let's just try these. Get for vector. I don't think these will make a difference, but let's try it anyway. Okay. Oh, yeah, definitely gotta need to do the camera. Because that's how we're controlling the turning. I do like plus like, can I do plus after the fact? I'll do plus 10. Let's just see what happens. Okay, let's do plus 100. Maybe we'll get better results. Plus 1,000? We'll see. Okay, that didn't work. I do like minus 3,100. Because that's what we're doing in code for part of it. Timesing it by what? That 10. I don't think this will make a difference either, but we'll keep trying. Okay. At this point, yeah, we're just fucking with numbers. Oh boy. I wonder if that's gonna do anything. No. Maybe. Ooh. I think we got it. Okay. The orbital location. We'll just do this now. Maybe it'll be okay. Hate playing with numbers. Does it show up again when I'm like behind it? Yeah, okay. So that's the next part of the puzzle that we're going to solve. luckily the tutorial has stuff talking about it.
2D applies to position. And then from here, we'll need we'll plug just it's this has to be the set position.
Okay.
If behind.
Yeah, make a new function.
We'll need 2 vectors.
So is actor behind player. And let's go return a boolean. Let's go take in an actor.
And these both need to be vectors.
Actor to check.
Which means that when we call this
And
function,
B is behind player.
In order for them to be dealt with. So we'll get those two values.
So we're gonna do what? Get player character, get camera, and then this is gonna be what? Get actor location. He said he's normalizing.
We'll normalize them both.
So he's normalizing both.
Simplifies the values, and then we need the dot product from these two. Dot products, plug that in.
So get
and then we have to find
location.
So when the camera is facing the nav point, like front on, it'll be 0 and it'll be going up.
And then they're doing a dot product.
Right. So then we can call bounds and make sure that it's not visible when we're behind it. To do that, we need an ACOS and we'll use degrees.
Plus degrees.
In degrees, then we need a less than.
Is it less than?
And in my case, the value here is 140. So if the degrees away from the nav point are less than 140, then it doesn't show up.
Oops.
And we've got to make sure that we add a return node, and we'll drag the result of this boolean onto the return node so that we know what we're dealing with, and we'll call this visibility. Great. Now, back in our event graph, we can call our new checkIfBehind function. Just put it in between these two.
Also make this appear.
We also need to find our object and camera values. So go back to our check nav point function, and we'll need the result of our forward vector from the camera, and we'll also need the result from this rotation x vector.
Yeah, we're doing a little UMG right now. I'm just following the tutorial. Almost done with what we need to do, I think. I guess we could do set visibility. And then we could do what? Select. So is behind player is true, then we'll make it hidden. And then otherwise it's visible. So I think that's what we want to do. So let's see. Okay. And then, is it going to show up behind? Yeah, still showing behind. Okay. Oh, I didn't even plug it in. Oops. Classic mistake. Did I put a breakpoint or anything? No. Alright, so I guess I did something wrong. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's just do some prints. This is not looking pretty at the moment, but whatever. So it's saying true. So it's always true. Okay, let's print out this degrees. I'm printing out way too many things to know what I'm doing. So bypass that. What other print string do I have? We're good with that. Am I not? Oh my god. Alright, I need to make this not a pure, just so I'll actually call my print string. Oop. Yeah, I know. We got it. Alright, so 25. What is this? 5 degrees? Well, that's interesting. Why am I getting such low numbers compared to that other guy?
Drag them both onto the turn node and we'll name them so that we know. Object and camera. So
Oh. Okay. We're passing in wrong data. Okay.
and we'll need the result of our forward vector from the camera.
So we need the forward vector.
Result from this rotation x vector from the object. So drag them both onto the turn node and we'll name them so that we know what we're dealing with.
So I need the we need the forward vector of the camera. I guess we'll do it like the way he did it. So we'll need 2 vectors. So we'll do something like that. And then he's calling them what? Camera and object? Okay. So camera, object. Oh God. So. Camera, object, and then he's doing the forward vector, and then he's doing this is that, and I guess what we gotta do. It's kind of sloppy. We'll just gonna go like this. And then we can make this. We'll make it pure later. I'm just gonna do a print here. We're not gonna hide anything just yet. Let's see. So false, true, false. All right, so we might have to tweak. We're gonna say we'll say 135 or something. But now we can mess with the visibility. We can make this again pure. And then we can do from this. Can we just set visibility from this? Or no, we gotta do it from this. So set visibility. Select. So if it's true, we say hidden. If it's false, we show visible. So there you go. Now it should appear. Yeah, so it's kind of weird. It's the opposite side though. I just realized that. So I guess I gotta make this 600. I probably have to add more. I hate playing with fucking numbers like this. Okay. Almost there. Maybe 480? Okay. I don't know if this is the right direction, so we'll do 450. I don't think it's the right direction. I'll do 400. I just got, if it's getting more and more offset to the left, then I know we're wrong. Yeah, okay, we're wrong. Or 510? Or 90. I'm expecting it to gotta be like bam, right in the right where the directional arrow is. We're so close. 195. Excuse me, Wolf. I think that's fine. Now, let's have 2 objects in the world. And let's see if it draws both of them. And if it does, then we're in good shape, and I think we can convert stuff to C++. So let me just get between them two. So there's that one. Okay. I think that looks okay. I think just like the one thing I want to do, because these guys have this hero compass thing, so max distance to player will see. We'll just make it 5,000 so we can easily see this. Because there's gonna be like a threshold, like if the player is not within a certain thing, then there's no bother of drawing it anymore. Unless you have like a specific marker type. So if you have like, you know, a quest marker, or if you have like a custom marker, then always show it. But if it's things like towns or caves, villages, whatever, enemies or something, then there could be a threshold, so we don't have to draw a billion things. So let's play, and there we go. So they're both on screen. Yeah, now it's gone. So I think that's decent enough. So the next parts that I want to do is potentially scale the icon based off a distance. So we can easily like map clamp value between the two, the player's position and the actor's position, scale it between like, I don't know, 0.3 and 1, so that like once you're close enough, it's a full 1 scale. And if you're kind of farther away towards the end of its threshold, it becomes kind of small. So the map is a little more easily readable. So yeah, now we can get to the nitty gritty. So we'll start with the Hero Compass UI. We'll do everything the same way. I always dislike working with maps in C++, but we're gonna kind of have to just deal with it. I know that probably won't be too easily to read. So we're already kind of changing the tick of I'm sorry, not the tick, the position of the actual the compass thing. So the big thing that's moving, that's sliding across. Now we gotta do the individual objects. So I'm thinking we can refactor this into its own kind of function, so they're both kind of separated. So these don't actually take delta time, do they? I don't think so. So do another private section. We'll say void update compass position. So generate definition. I think we can literally do that. These are saying it could be const, right? I don't understand why. It always gives me that, but fine. And then basically we could be like update compass position. So let's first recompile that and just make sure we're okay. So it should just still behave like it just was. We're not expecting any new behavior just yet. Fingers crossed that this works. So how's your day going, Prestige? Everything all good? And today I had Friday and I had today off because I requested it just for my birthday weekend, so I get the chill. But yeah, then I'm back into the heap of it tomorrow. Alright, so still works as expected. Great. Okay. Oops. So let's go back into here. No, I'm not Polish. Well, I'm American, but you know, I have like 10% Polish in me. You know, like a typical American, like German, Polish, Irish kind of mix. But I am in Poland. I am living in Warsaw. All right, so let's work on adding these functions first. The add compass actor and remove compass actor. So these are going to need to be public. So we're gonna need to return an index. So we'll do uint32 add compass actor. And it's gonna take an a actor to add. Yeah, like I speak bullshit Polish. I can just say, you know, kurwa and dzień dobry and oczywiście, jak się masz, dobrze, all that kind of things. I don't really speak, like, I can't really do sentences too well. All right, so the first thing we're doing, we're gonna check if a actor is valid. Oh, that's cool. How long ago was it? So we're gonna do if actor add. I guess we could do if that, and then we just do return -1. 2 or 3 years ago? Yeah, that's it. I mean, I started working at People Could Fly about 2 or 3 years ago. So maybe we both got offered the same job, and I guess you turned it down. Oh yeah, now we need a new variable. This could be our mapping. Public tmap, and it's a actor, and what is the other one? I guess it has to, no, it's not the class though, so it's got to be class. Okay, so in order to do this in C++, I need to actually create a new class for the icon and reparent it correctly. How come you change company so often? Any kind of specific reason? All right, let's create a new class for this widget. C++ class. New user widget. And how do we? Whoops! I don't need to do that. So hero underscore compass UI. So we can do hero. Whoops. Hero underscore compass icon UI. I guess we could just put this kind of in a symbol of the location, right? Main compass. I wanted to learn more and more, and I was working in small countries, so they couldn't offer me that much. Okay. Where, if you don't mind my asking, where do you work now? Sparrowsoft. I've never heard of that. Oh wow, okay. Doing some legit stuff, Halo Infinite. I started playing the Halo Infinite multiplayer beta. Outsourcing, that makes a lot of sense. Cool. I'm guessing you like it. That is nice. Yeah, sometimes when you're in the indie scene, you kind of want to do AAA, and then when you're in AAA, you kind of want to do the indie scene. So it's like grass is greener. At least that's how I felt. Oh, cool! Tech art's really cool. I have a good friend, Christoph Lovash. He does a lot of tech art. Oh yeah, I forgot that I wasn't done with that. Yeah, technical art is really cool. I don't barely anything. I'm more of gameplay, scripting, and coding. Oh. Try to compile this correctly. There you go. Now we're in business. Are you working with Unreal Engine 4 or Unreal Engine 5? UE4, UE5 sucks. Is it just because it's in beta and there's a lot of things broken with it, or is there another reason why you say it sucks? Okay, so we successfully reparented now. It still works. I guess in our, let me also check this out. Let me change this actor compass icon. Compass. So hero, compass, that shouldn't break anything. Oh god. Okay, so that did break things. Okay. Where else? Okay. Okay, almost done. Oh, compass. Compass UI, no. Compass hero, compass icon UI. Should be quite all right. Move. All right. A lot of broken stuff in Lumen is overrated. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I'm still obviously using Unreal Engine 4. There's no real reason yet. Switch to 5. And anyway, it's like the same. It's the same. Pretty much the same engine, despite, you know, minus the changes to lighting and rendering. Like blueprints are still the same. There's some improvements there. So just generally, it's the same kind of user experience, at least in the ways I have to use it. Eventually, I'll switch this project to UE5. I think. I still need to switch it over to like 427. All right, so now that we have that all set up, we can now go back and update this team map. So I guess it's gotta be class dot. Are these things U? Yeah. Class U underscore hero underscore compass icon UI. Oh boy. Let me reopen the editor so I can see my blueprint. Yeah, world partitioning is really cool. Meta sounds I hear is really cool as well. I'm not much of a sound audio engineer kind of guy, so not really my thing. Material reroute declaration. I don't know what that is. Is it just within Material Editor and you can do some crazy stuff there, or is it something more complicated that? Because like I don't really follow Unreal Engine 5 stuff at the moment. Like I watched the news when it was first kind of being announced, but I didn't really do anything past that. All right, so let me get this back up. Something cool, something that lets you clean shit up. Always appreciated. Okay, so again, we're working on add something to the compass actor. So now we have our mapper. So actor to compass icon. So we're gonna call that the same day actor to compass icon. What's wrong? That's fine, whatever. So now we have the public function. So else we could say a actor. I guess we could just say actor to add. So we're checking if it's valid. If it is, now we can do what? Actor compass icon contains actor to add. Do I have to do like an if here? So now we're checking that. So I guess we could do another else here. Why do you use C++ for a solo project? Wouldn't BP give you faster iteration time? It's because I'm trying to learn C++. I've been using blueprints for like 6 years or 5 years, however long Unreal Engine 4 has been around. So I script things in blueprints for fast iteration, that's how I was just doing it, but then I converted to C++, just so I can learn how to do it in C++. It gives me a better idea of how to code, makes my blueprint part better as well. Just because I know how things work in C++, I can always kind of talk with gameplay programmers because I know what does, what doesn't exist. And honestly, it's good to know programming outside blueprints because, you know, who knows? I know they're probably never going to get rid of blueprints, but you never know. You know, they always have these rumors of a higher level scripting language, so it'll be good to know how programming works for that, and so on and so forth. So that's my reasoning, and I like learning C++. You know, that's that's that. So now, yeah, we checked if it contains it. Now we gotta create the widget, and I always forget how to create a widget. It's always a little more complicated. Is it in my player controller that I'm doing something? Yeah, something like this. Okay. Split move right. Okay. Let's get the header file. Split move right. Oops. So I'm doing it under protected here. We'll do this from the top. View property. Edit anywhere. Read only. Category. Okay, we'll just say hero. Compass. T subclass of. Oops. Class. View hero underscore. Yeah, compass icon UI. And we'll call it compass icon. Oops. And then pretty much identical, right? Identical U property. Actually, no. We just gotta do class U user widget. Compass icon widget. Nothing special there, right? Then we'd say a lot of embedded ifs. Is that how I want to say? So then we say compass icon widget equals create widget. Whoops. No. Wait, what? Maybe I did this and then this. Whoops. So class view hero compass icon, right? Get name instance. Okay. Okay. Nothing's not matching. So hero debug menu widget, right? This is the, so here's the inventory, here's the debug, right? So where am I doing with this? Okay. It's still wrong, or is it? Okay, so class view user widget. So compass icon. Okay. I think I can just do something like this instead. Whoops. Where's it getting this error from? Compass icon? No. Cannot convert L value. So compass icon widget is where is it getting this error from? Alright, this is no longer saying you user widget anywhere. Alright, fuck it. Let's try to compile and just see what happens. Because I'm kind of confused. Yeah, okay. Oh. So compass icon widget equals create widget. Then it's got the class, get instance, and hero debug. Like, what the hell? I really have to say you user widget? God, this is so annoying. Okay. But that doesn't make sense to me. U hero underscore compass icon UI. It's like, as long as those match, it should be okay. And then I put... See, that's like... God. This is like where like my mind gets hurt. Because compass icon is what? U hero compass UI. But it's not. It should be this. So why is compass icon... Yeah, see, hero compass icon UI. Compass icon widget. Cannot convert L value of type T subclass to parameter type. Do I have to do like cast? No. Ugh. I have to do like... Oh my god. What is up with this? Am I missing an include? Maybe. No, it's in here. What did I write differently? What the hell? Ah, okay. Okay, well now that it's here, and we can say, so if compass icon widget. See, this is the kind of stuff with C++ that like always hurts my brain. It's like, why does it work now? All right, so we're adding, right? So we just created it. So now we gotta set clipping. And clipping takes widget clipping, always advanced. I guess it's gonna be always. And then we need a reference to this compass main panel. So we do something here. So u property meta equals bind widget class, and then it's gonna be what, u canvas panel. And it's called compass main panel. So now we do compass main panel, add child canvas, and then we're gonna do canvas icon widget. And then we're gonna do something with our T map again. So what is it? Actor to compass icon dot add. And we're adding actor to add and compass on widget. Dope. Doesn't work. Cool. See if we can figure out why. No viable function. Okay. So what is this looking for? So look, it's looking for const. So I guess I have to make these both const. Okay, no. No. So cannot convert this argument from type const to type so it can't be const. So add actor to add. Added a header file you don't need. think we'll need to Google UE4 C++ tmap add. I mean, seems like it's simple enough. What the fuck? Do they have better examples where it's like not numbers? Nope. Whatever. Those are F strings. See if we can get the information we need. So it's just in an array, right? But see, like, they're doing such dumb examples. It's like, why? Why can't you give me like an interesting tmap? Do I have to do like class A actor? Do I have to give them names? Yeah, no, you don't. What are these argument examples? These are so confusing. Argument types const, yeah. UE4 C++. How to pass in a const version of a variable. Probably a dumb. Don't worry about it. Generally, value versus reference is not going to impact performance. Do I have to do? No. Do I have to dereference? No. Actor compass icon dot add actor to add. So that's not good either. Of course it's not. So F default allocator. Was that one of them? F default set allocator. Oh, man. T football. Class A actor. Class hero. Compass. Icon UI. Let's see example. Okay, say like example dot. Oh, man, working with team apps in C++, they're like impossible. These are so difficult. Yeah, none of this makes sense to me. Pack publishing, come on. Why do they give such shitty examples? Give me an interesting example. Don't give me text and a number. Yeah, string and a float. Why? Why? Like, is using a team map in my case, just not good? Oh boy, Mr. Rough. Oh boy. Okay. What is it looking for? Expected expression? I don't know what the expected expression is supposed to be. Compass icon widget. I know that's wrong. Let's do like no. UE4, C++, tmap, add actor. Let's see. This is nothing. Crash on dot add. Okay, this could be something. Why is play for enter an actor? Should be a U class or U struct. When you call add item. Okay. No information. It seems like your chest doesn't have a chunk key. What is max chunk load? So he has a T array. What is T map? Yeah, loaded chunks. Where is he adding it? Min chunk load, max chunk load. Okay, that doesn't really help me either. Oh, man. Don't like being in these kind of brick walls. And like none of these like suggestions really make sense in my head because like I don't know that much about C++, and this fucking mouse is too sensitive. I can't let go. In-class team at base. Okay. What? Ugh. Okay. Fine. Let's just see if it compiles. Like, even though nothing's squiggly or anything, doesn't mean it won't compile. Yeah. Okay. Let's not make this a UN32 anymore. It's not really needed. We could just do a void. Actually, let's do a bool. Just in case. I'll return false. I think that's the last thing I need to do. I think that's okay. Maybe I'm missing a path. Oh. Maybe? I also don't like how many branches there are in this function either, but I think we're okay. Okay. So So that was our add. Let's do the remove, and then we'll kind of have to call it a day. All right, first we're getting a warning. So is not blueprint read visible? Okay, let's fix that. So blueprint read only. Meta equals bind object. That should be okay. Okay. Now. Okay, we're good. So now, yeah, remove compass widget. Let's see how difficult this one's gonna be. Okay. So this is also a bool. Remove compass actor. Do the same thing, const a actor. Actor to remove. So first things first, they'll do if not actor remove. False. Then we can do what? If actor compass icon contains actor to remove. Guess we could do like the same thing. So if not, turn false. Maybe we can refactor the one, this one to be similar to this. And then we could say what we gotta say, like what found compass icon equals actor dot find check to do. And then we're gonna pass in actor to remove. And then if not actor to remove, no, if not found compass icon turn false, then we do actor compass icon dot remove actor to remove, then compass main panel remove child found compass icon found compass icon remove from parent. Return true. Okay. that one was easier. Let's just see about refactoring this one to be less ifs. So then we could say, like, if not actor to compass icon dot contains actor to add, return false. If not compass icon, return false. And then if not compass, what you think? Return false. That looks cleaner. Let's put in some UE logs just to be verbose here. Actor to add is not valid. Actor to compass icon does not contain actor to add. Compass icon is not valid. Compass icon widget creation failed and is not valid. Okay, that's nice. So actor to remove is not valid. You can just copy this one straight up. Change actor to remove. So found this icon is not valid and not in actor to compass icon. Okay, I think we could try to compile that. And if it passes, then we can try to see if this works. We'll need to continue moving stuff to C++, but we should be able to check if this works. Because right now this doesn't, again, do anything. We're still relying on the blueprints. So for example, you jump in, you know, everything's still showing on the top the top bar on the right there. So we're all good there. So now I believe we gotta do a couple steps to check if. So first we'll just we'll disconnect that. So now you'll see those little white boxes, they're not there in the UI. So I believe it's in our player character. Okay. So we're in. So here's the hero main. So now this should be add compass to actor. Let me just change this to add actor, remove actor. And I'll just say add compass. Okay, so it's not available, which means I think we need to make the U function. Blueprint callable, I believe. So let's try that again. Do. Okay. It was in our player controller, I think. So just move this away. Now this should be add compass actor. And then we'll move that. Remove compass actor. Now, I don't think this will work yet because I don't think we're checking now the right variable inside of the compass when we're doing tick. See, there's this actor to compass icon. I believe, yeah, we don't have it here. So new property, blueprint read only. Say visible anywhere, blueprint read only, and we'll add a category. Let's say hero. This actors. Might be okay. Let's recompile that. See where we stand. I'm assuming we might have a compile issue inside of the UI, maybe not. Yeah, we have this warning. Yeah, so we have this one because it's now a duplicate. So we'll do actor to compass icon. And so now it should work the same. I shouldn't have any errors replacing. So I think that's okay. And I believe the moment of truth now, those two are disconnected. Let's see. And no. So we're printing. So add compass actor. Actor to compass icon does not contain actor to add. Okay. Oh, we kind of want to do it this way. So already contains actor to add. Okay, so we were thinking there was opposite. It's a good thing we put in those logs. Logging is your friend. Okay, so still no. So compass icon is not valid. Did we think about, did we do that the opposite way too? Oh, I know what's wrong. We actually have to put this to property in. Oops. Compass. Now I gotta go to inherited. Euro compass. Compass icon. Put the blueprint one in. All right. Now we see that they're working now. So that's good. So I guess now we can delete these functions. Delete unused variables. Okay. And yeah, I think the last thing we're gonna do, well, there's still gonna be plenty to do with this section. So I don't know what would be. I think right now would be a good place to stop, and we can continue this tomorrow. But we were able to successfully now, you know, kind of dynamically add as many of these things as we want. Obviously, there's going to be a potential for overcrowding. But now we can see, now we have 3. You know, then they don't show up when they're behind us. Well, there's still, okay, so there's still, looks like there's still a bug. Whoa. The UI disappeared entirely. Okay. That's interesting. Oh, fuck. Alright, well, we're gonna have to figure that out. I wonder what causes that. Because yeah, as soon as I get past this object, I wonder if it's because of that object. So let's say I move behind both of these, right? Okay, so yeah, for some reason. Okay, so it definitely has to do with the set visibility. Oh, I'm doing. I'm saying there was visibility of this whole widget. So I guess I have to do like set visibility. I'm finding this, so set visibility here. Yeah. Whoopsie. So that makes sense. At least that was a stupid little bug. Let's just double check, make sure we're okay. So let's go. Yeah. Okay. And then let's add our third box. So there we go. Boom. Okay, we're okay. No need to panic. Everything's fine. All right. So like we usually do, let us make sure we submit everything we need to submit into Perforce. So we definitely made a change to the map. Let's just grab everything that we might have missed from previous stuff. Player character and player controller, of course. I don't remember doing anything with the pause screen, but okay. Let's literally just grab everything that we changed. Okay. Player state, no. UI. Character preview, hero main, yeah. Whoops. Or debug, no. Nothing in health. Fox commands, I don't remember changing anything, but okay. Compass, we're all good. We gotta change that. So check out. Abilities, we're fine. Inventory menu, we're good. I don't think we changed anything with the weapon stuff. Weather system? No. Okay. And when it comes to our source files, so main, compass, let's check that out. Health widget, I don't remember doing anything. Okay. Search preview, lock on, that's some old stuff. Okay. Player controller, no. Player character, no. No, we added stuff for game instance, so mark that for add. Everything okay for managers? No. Okay, I think that's everything. So still whip, compass UI, added ability to dynamically add actors to draw on the compass UI. I think that's good enough. So we push that. Now let's go to GitHub. If anyone is interested in accessing the source code, you can follow me on Patreon. You'll get access to the source code. You can do whatever you'd like to it. So we'll just say something like that. Commit to main. And push. So yeah, that's where I'm going to end it today. Thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate it. Berlin Dev, thanks for stopping by. And Prestige, thanks for stopping by. If you aren't already following me here on Twitch, I recommend it. I stream almost every day. You can see what I'm doing on Twitter, and you can see what I'm doing on Discord. So consider following me here, and you can check out everything on YouTube. I upload these streams usually the next day. So let's go ahead. Let's do /raid. Let's raid Julie Strader. Why not? There's only 3 of us here anyway. So how do I spell that? Julie Strader. So thanks again, everybody, for stopping by. I appreciate it. Tomorrow we'll continue streaming. Tonight we'll play some Halo Infinite with our buddy Meteor Mage. So I'll see you soon. Have a good one.